Welcome. If you want to learn how to copy a community link on X, formerly known as Twitter, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to easily grab and share community links with your friends or followers. Communities on X are a fantastic way to connect with like-minded individuals, so let's get started. First, open the X app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features. Once you're in, navigate to the community you want to share. You can do this by searching for the community name in the search bar or scrolling through your feed until you find it. Once you're in the desired community, take a look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see 3 dots. These represent the options menu for that community. Go ahead and tap on those dots. This will bring up a list of options that you can use for sharing and managing the community. In the menu that appears, look for the option that says Share. Tap on it to open up the sharing options. This will allow you to share the community link through various methods, whether you want to send it directly to friends or post it on another platform. After tapping Share, select the option that says Copy URL. This action will copy the community link to your clipboard. Now you can paste that link wherever you like, whether it's in a message, a tweet, or another social media post. And just like that, you've successfully copied a community link on X. This simple process helps you engage with your online community and invites others to join in discussions that matter to you. So whether you're sharing your favorite community or promoting one you're passionate about, you're now equipped to do it effortlessly. Happy sharing!